If you spend a lot of time building presentations in PowerPoint, this one's worth 2 minutes of your time. Claude now has a direct add-in for PowerPoint, and once it's installed, you've got an AI assistant sitting right inside your deck. Here's how to get it set up. Start by opening PowerPoint. On a Mac, head to Tools, then Add-ins. On Windows, it's the Home tab, then Add-ins. Search for Claude, select it from the results, then click Add and hit Continue. The Claude sidebar will slide open on the right side of your screen. One last thing, sign in with your Claude account right inside the sidebar. Hit Login and use the same credentials you'd use on claude.ai. Once that's done, Claude is active inside your presentation and ready to go. And just to show you it's actually working, I'll type a quick prompt right in the sidebar. 5 slides, structured and formatted right inside your deck. That's what it can do the moment it's set up. That's the whole install. Activate the add-in, sign in, and you're ready to go. Available on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. Claude reads your template, your fonts, your colors, and builds right inside your deck without touching your formatting. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.